In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iCloud Drive taking up too much space on your iPhone. If you've noticed that your iPhone is running low on storage, it might be time to take a closer look at your iCloud Drive. This handy tool allows you to store and sync files across your Apple devices, but sometimes it can end up taking more space than you'd like. So let's dive into some simple steps to help you reclaim that storage space. First, you'll want to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. This is your gateway to managing all of your device's settings and is an essential stop in ensuring your iCloud Drive doesn't gobble up more space than necessary. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name right at the top. This will take you to your Apple ID settings, where you'll want to tap on iCloud. Here you'll see a section labeled Manage Storage. Give that a quick tap and you'll get an overview of what's taking up space in your iCloud account. Next, as you look through the list, find iCloud Drive. This is where you can see all the files stored in the cloud and how much space they're using. Now let's move on to the Files app on your iPhone. Open it up and tap on Browse, then select iCloud Drive. This will show you the specific files and folders residing in your drive. As you look through your files, start reviewing what's there. Pay attention to the size of the files and consider whether they are essential to keep on your iCloud Drive. If you come across large or unnecessary files, it's time to take action. Select these files and delete them. Keep in mind, removing files from iCloud Drive can help free up space, not just on your iPhone, but across all your devices. But wait, there's one more step to ensure those files are completely gone. You'll want to clear out the recently deleted folder as well. Still in the Files app, navigate to Locations and then select Recently Deleted. This folder acts like a safety net, keeping files for a bit, just in case you change your mind. However, if you're sure about your deletions, you can choose to delete these files permanently. By doing so, you'll ensure that the files no longer take up any space. And there you have it, a few straightforward steps to help manage your iCloud Drive space effectively. It's always a good idea to regularly check your iCloud for excess or unnecessary files to keep your devices running smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips help you maximize your storage efficiently.